Hi everybody, it's Ben, and today I'm going to show you how to use the free Microsoft Authenticator app to make Facebook a lot more secure. And full disclosure, for those of you who don't already know, I work at Microsoft. So, first thing you need to do, if you don't already have it, is get the free Microsoft Authenticator app. You can get it from the App Store for your platform, either Android or iOS. Just go there to that App Store, search for Microsoft Authenticator. In the Google Play Store, the screen looks something like this. I don't have an iOS device handy to screenshot, but on the Apple Store, I'm sure it looks pretty much the same. So download and install that app. And once you've got the app installed and running, we're going to go over to Facebook. And by the way, this is, of course, a fake Facebook account, just for this demo. So at the top right corner, you're going to hit this little down arrow that you see here. And we're going to go to Settings. And in Settings, we're going to go to Security and Login right there. So you pick that, and then you're going to come down here. You're looking for Use Two-Factor Authentication. Use Two-Factor Authentication, and select Edit. You'll get a screen that looks like this, and you're looking for Authentication App. So you select Use Authentication App, and Facebook's going to show you a screen that looks kind of like this. Now, in your Authenticator app on your phone, I don't have a way to screenshot this, I apologize. At the top right corner of the window, there's 3 dots stacked vertically. It's a button. If you tap that 3-dot button and choose Add Account, it's going to ask what kind of account do you want to add. So you're going to choose, you can choose from personal account, like a Microsoft account that you might be signing into Windows with. You could choose work or school account, or you can choose other account, like Google, Facebook, Twitter, etc. We're going to choose Other Account. When you do that, the Authenticator app is going to light up the phone on your device. You point your phone at that QR code, your camera at that QR code, and almost immediately it should say Account Added. And then the Authenticator app screen will look something like this. And you'll see that it's got a 6-digit number under Facebook, and those numbers change every 30 seconds. So what you do then is in Facebook, click Continue, and it's going to ask you to enter the authentication code that your device is currently showing. So I'm going to enter the one it's showing for me right now. And it's confirmed two-factor authentication is on. So we'll click Done. Now, how does that work exactly? So now I'm going to go to an in-private browser window where I have never signed on before. So this basically looks like a new browser to Facebook. So this would be the same experience if you logged onto a new machine, or critically, if somebody other than you tried to sign into your Facebook account on a machine other than yours. So when you click Login, it asks for the 6-digit code. Again, these codes change every 30 seconds. So I'm going to enter the code I see on my machine, on my device right now, and click Continue. And now Facebook is asking, do I want to save this browser or not? So if this is your device, your laptop, desktop, mobile device, whatever, you might want to save the browser, because if you do that, you won't have to enter this code every time you sign into Facebook. On the other hand, if you're signing in on somebody else's device, like an airport kiosk or at a friend's house or at work, okay, you might want to choose Don't Save. This is also true if you just want that extra level of security even on your own devices. Because when you do this, anytime you try to sign into Facebook from a new browser, or, really important, anybody else tries to sign into your Facebook account as you on a browser other than your own, not only do they have to have your username and password, they also have to have your phone, because they have to have this code from the Authenticator. As soon as we click Continue, here we are in Facebook. So that's it. You're now set up to use the Authenticator app as your secure second factor authentication to help keep Facebook more secure. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.